Here's how to make your own Angry Bird. First, you want a long piece like this, an 8-piecer. Then you want 2 piecers and do it across. It doesn't matter which way, but just do it across. And then you get a piece either like this, a piece like that. You put it right here. Then you put some more pieces right here. Listen, it doesn't have to look like a real Angry Bird. You can make your own type of Angry Bird. Once you've done it across and put a 1-piecer right here, you're almost done. You just have to put the rest of the pieces right here. And then you almost have your Angry Bird. Then once you've done it across, you get a 1-piecer. Doesn't matter what type of car. Put it right here. And there you go. You have an Angry Bird. Now have fun
with a catapult.
There you go. Fly it across. It's very fun. Now, I hope you enjoy it.
Wait,
Bye.
keep playing. Keep playing. I'm gonna